Hello, let's learn spring vocabulary. It's spring season in most countries now, so let's learn some spring related vocabulary in Sinhala. In Sinhala, we call this time mal pipena kaale because we don't have seasons in Sri Lanka, so we just describe what happens. We do have words for seasons, but since we don't have those seasons in Sri Lanka, those names are not common. And most people would not even know what those words mean if you use any of these words. So, what we actually use are Malpipenakale, flower blooming season, Payanakale, sunny season, Lassakale, rainy season, Pipenawa, cold season. So let's talk about Malpipenakale. Mala, flower, and the plural word is mal, flowers. Mala, flower, mal, flowers. Pipenawa, blooming. Pipenawa, Malpipenawa, flowers blooming. Malpipenawa. But before Malpipenawa, there is Pohottuwa, flower bud. Pohottuwa. And the plural word is pohottu, flower buds. Pohottu. These two flowers are flowers you can see in spring, and their names are the same as in English. Just say them with the Sinhala accent. Tulip flower is called tulip. Daffodil is daffodil. A popular flower in Sri Lanka is aralia. Aralia. In Sri Lanka, we call it temple flowers as the English word. Even though it's not a super common flower, it's not rare and it's a popular name for most places like hotels, institutions, etc. And we have the national flower of Sri Lanka, Nilmanil, blue water lily. Nilmanil. Let's talk about Paelayak, karanawa. Paelayak, karanawa. Planting a plant. Kaale, plant. Kaale. And the plural word is paella, plants. Paella. We use ate, seed, and atta, seeds, to plant a plant. Ate, seed. Atta, seeds. We plant it in our vatta, garden. Vatta. Before planting, we have to vatta suddha karanawa, cleaning the garden. Vatta suddha karanawa. And to plant atta, first, what do we do? Karanawa. Karanawa, digging. Karanawa. And what do we karanawa? It's pus, soil, pus. So what we do is pus karanawa, digging the soil. Pus karanawa. And then what we do is hitavanawa, planting. Hitavanawa. Hitavanawa is the action of putting the plant in what you dug. Then what we do is vatura danawa. Vatura, water. Danawa, putting. Vatura danawa is watering. And then we have to take care of it. In Sinhala, the word is balagannawa, taking care of something or someone. Balagannawa. And then we also have to put fertilizer. Poradanawa. Pora danama. Pora is fertilizer. Let's see some more vocabulary related to planting. Vavanama. Vavanama is planting. This is the process of growing a tree. The tree is growing is vavanama. Gaha, tree. Gus, trees. Gaha, tree. Gus, trees. And we have this word gedi, and this is a classifier we use with fruits and round vegetables and sometimes with some more round food like apple gedi, strawberry gedi, takali gedi, etc. Gedi hadenam. This is more like bearing fruits in a tree. Gedi hadenam. Panduru, bushes. Panduru. Tanakola, grass. Tanakola. Atta, the tree branch. Atta. Attu is the plural word. Attu, tree branches. Me gahe godak attu tiyanama. Me gahe godak attu tiyanama. This tree has a lot of branches. When we do gardening, we have to get rid of paella, weeds. Paella. And we also have poochchiya, flower pot. Poochchiya. The plural word is poochchi, flower pots. And to plant and to grow, we need ida, space. Ida. Metana godak ida tiyanama. There's a lot of space here. Metana godak ida tiyanama. And another thing we need to grow plants is ira elia. Ira elia, sunlight. Ira elia. Me paleta godak ira elia one. This plant needs a lot of sunlight. Me paleta godak ira elia one. And another thing we need is lassa. Lassa, rain. Lassa. And around this time of the year, the weather is unusum venama, getting warmer. Unusum venama. Malpipena kaale, kalagune, unusum venama. In the spring, the weather becomes warmer. Malpipena kaale, kalagune, unusum venama. Daval kaale, daytime. Around this time, Dawal Kale Digai, the daytime is long. Dawal Kale Digai. Elia. This can mean light or bright. And this word can also mean the outside. Ne Kale Elie Godak Eliai. This time of the year is very bright in the outside. Api me kale godak eliyata yanawa. We go outside a lot around this time. Api me kale godak eliyata yanawa. Next, let's talk about some sattu animals you can say in the spring. Sattu animals. Kurullo, birds. Kurullo. Samanalayo, butterflies. Samanalayo. Tarawo, ducks. Tarawo. Mimaso, beef. Mimaso. Panuo, worms. Panuo. Gembo, frogs. Gembo. And if you're wondering about spring celebrations, we don't actually have spring celebrations in Sri Lanka, mainly because we don't have spring. The only thing we have is Pasku, Easter, Pasku, but that is celebrated only by Christians, which is not a big population in Sri Lanka. And that's all for this lesson. Oya kamatida malpipena kaaleta. Do you like spring? Malpipena kaale oya kamatimade mokadda. What is your favorite thing in the spring? Comment below. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you're looking for a more structured Sinhala class to practice and to learn Sinhala, contact me through lingocrown@gmail.com. Ehena, ilang video එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye.